a lot of people, some of the network, you get to know one another, but not everyone knows everybody, and particularly when you've got new faces joining. So take our crowd through the journey of Ben and Nat leaving Sydney all those years ago, coming up the Coffs Harbour. Talk us through the story.
We were actually just renovating our house at home, just looking to move suburbs, not necessarily to leave Sydney, just move suburbs, get girls into a better school area, that sort of stuff. Went up to sell the house and surprised on what we got offered for it. So hence the Seachange.
And we'd come for a holiday too and loved it. So
yeah.
So you guys have Seachanged. From conversations I've had with you in the past, there was no real tie to Coffs other than you'd had that holiday, you liked it here. So you pretty much started from scratch. So take us through that journey of settling into a new regional town for you, and what that's looked like over the 9 years you've been here.
It was hard because both Nat and I don't have family, no one up here to help us. So that was challenging. Come up with no job, no nothing. We just didn't know what we were going to do. We had to get money in our pocket, but that was basically it. So I've always enjoyed working with my hands, being on tools. So we just went down that searching, I guess. What's the best business for us?
it honestly was the craziest, biggest gamble of our lives. I mean, coming up with no family. Hannah was 4 months old. Hubby was 2. And we just went for it, and we took a huge gamble. It was a bit of a scary, decision, but we had faith and we jumped in, and it's been, year after year of growth, and it's like I said, we grew with the girls. Like as they're growing, it's freed up our time more, and we've grown at that sort of a pace, which has been really good for us and our family. So yeah.